Hey you guys, so I'm back, another video, another makeup. I want to do like a little mini makeup tutorial for this one, but I just got back from town now, and I was in Boots, and the 17 makeup brand that they do in Boots, I think they're just discontinuing the whole brand, so I think that's what the CYO is replacing. So all their makeup in there at the moment is 70% off. So I went in and had a little mooch about the section. There wasn't a whole heap there, but I did get a couple of bits that I just kind of want to try out. This here is the 17 Instant Glow Pink Bronze Bronzing Wax. You can see that? They look pretty cool. I haven't had bronzing rocks before. I haven't had any bronzing like of the balls for a long time, to be honest. But this is what they look like. I've got my receipt here as well because I literally I bought six products from there, and I spent £9.24. Oh yeah, £21.70 I saved. That's crazy. So those bronzing rocks were originally $4.99 and I got them for £1.49. Pretty good big bargain there. Next thing I got was the 17 Instant Glow Pink Bronze Bronzing and Illuminating Palette, which actually, I should have it here, but the CYO, I'm gonna get it. Okay, so I think they're like pretty much identical. That one there is the CYO. And that one there is the 17. I think really the only colour difference in those is probably the bottom colour, but it's more of a brownish shade from the CYO. Next thing I got was a lip stain. It's the Berry Crush, and this one is peachy. So it's double end. Is that like a before or after? I don't even know if I'm supposed to put that on before or after. I'll have to see what that looks like. I'm still undecided about the end of it, but we'll see how we get on. And the next thing I went for was the CC cream. I haven't had CC cream before. I've done the BB, but not the CC. I have also gone for the medium shade because I actually thought that the light shade looked very light. Like, I am quite a pale person anyway, but it was really pale. So this anyway, I should really hang on. They tell you that the lip stain was originally $4.99 and I got it for $1.49, and the CC cream, I think it's that one. It was originally $6.99 and I got it for £2.09. Cover and Correct Matte Radiance. It's got SPF 25 in it. So that's the shade. Which I just want to put a bit. See what it looks like. I don't know about you, I can't really see that. It might not end up being too bad. I don't know, but we'll see. Next I got is a Stay Pout lipstick, and it's called Kiss Me Quick, this one, and it's a pink shade. It's quite nice. It's quite a nice pinky shade. I don't have many like pink lipsticks, and the only ones that I have got, I think I've got, it's my MAC ones, which is really nice, like a baby pink, but I'm not overly fussed on the really bright pinks, to be honest, but this was, I think it's that one, and it was $4.99 down to $1.49. Last but not least is this is the eyeshadow. It's the 17 II, and this is in the shade Gold. Oop. Well, that's fancy. Oh, it's a bit crumbly. I liked it because I think it's more of like a mustardy kind of gold, and if anybody knows me, they know that I love the colour mustard. I just don't have enough things that are in that colour, but it comes in like a real cute, it's like a little button. It's like really easy to open, so that was quite nice. This was originally £3.99 and I got it for £1.19. So those were my buys, which I didn't think I did too badly considering I saved £21.70. So I'm gonna do a bit of a makeup session now, and I want to try them all out, see what they were like, and see whether or not I got a bargain. We shall see. Yeah, I think it's definitely too dark. I think it gives my like a nice little tan on my face, but the colour on my face is completely different in my mirror to what it is in my phone screen, which is why I think it was like I couldn't really see it properly. It's almost a bit moussey, which is actually quite nice. I did actually want to use something a bit lighter rather than it being heavy. Or did I just catch a bit of his bit? Make sure it's blended. It's my biggest pet peeve is when you can see a foundation line on somebody's face that, like, I hate it. Just blend it in, look in the mirror. So I'm going to use my bronzing rocks now. So I'm going to dab that in there. Oh. I'm going to blow on that because I think that's going to be a little bit, does make my even darker, so I'm not. I'm going to put it on my neck a bit to even it out. I do think my face is very dark right now though. It's quite nice though. I look like I've just come off holiday. It's just beautiful. I quite like those. They're not too bad. They're okay for like a subtle bit of a bronze. I'm going to use my MAC Pro Longwear blush, and this is this shade Stay By Me, because I just want like a bit of a matte colour on my cheeks, like I don't want to go too shimmery. Just to add a bit of like subtle colour. It's a nice shade, it's because it's quite a light one. I'm gonna go now and use the bronzing and illuminating palette and see if I can get a nice little bit of a highlight going on. I think I'm just gonna go with I'm just gonna mix the two top colours a bit just because it's lighter, because right now I don't think I need to go any darker. It's quite nice. It's like, it's not too harsh. It's quite a nice subtle highlight on the skin there. I don't really tend to put highlighter on if I go to work very often, unless I'm in at night time. But for the look today, I wanted to try it out. I'm quite happy with that. It's a nice one. It's definitely got the same like consistency with the CYO one as well. That it's just like, that's a bronzing and highlighting palette. This one is bronzing and illuminating palette, highlight highlight, illuminate kind of mean the same thing. How it goes on. Seems really patchy, like it's going on and it's quite patchy. So I've just wet the brush now with my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix fixing spray. It's a bit of a trick that I think people use to help it glide on a bit easier. But I'm not loving it, I will admit that. It's still really patchy. Quite disappointed. That was probably like one of my favourite things I think I bought because I love the colour, but I'm just not very impressed. It's going on really patchy. And like I've tried it dry and wet. I'm just gonna try and like layer it up a bit and see if that makes any difference. You shouldn't really have to build eyeshadow up that much to get your desired colour. Especially like when the colour looks like that, like you shouldn't have to build it up that much. All in all, like it's not too bad. Let's try some of these lippies out. I'm gonna try this Berry Crush one first. And I'm pretty sure I've had something from 17 like this before, that I think you just put this on and then you put that on. It's okay, I'm not overly impressed. I just feel like I'm putting felt tip pen on my lips and it's not as peachy as I thought it would be. Not a fan. So if I gotta wait for it to dry, or do I just put this on? Not fast on that. Will admit, not a fan. So I'm gonna try the next one that I got now, this lipstick, and it's the Kiss Me Quick lipstick. See if it's any better. It does look nice. It's not too bad. I'm not really used to seeing myself in like such like a lighter coloured lipstick because I'm such like a dark lipstick wearer, and especially with the summer coming now, you almost do want to go a bit with the lighter colours. I'd give this one a go again, but this one is a no-no. Hell no. And this one is I'll give it a go. And this is the Stay Pout in the Kiss Me Quick shade. I'm gonna have to go because my phone battery is about to run down and I need to charge the light up a bit, and then I'm gonna come back to you after I've just tidied my face up a bit and put some mascara and that on. So this is me now, and then this is me then. Voila! So this is it. This is my finished look. I'm not overly happy with it. It's been probably about an hour since I got off the camera with you the first time, and I've just noticed like how dark the CC cream has actually made my skin look. It doesn't actually look that dark in this in the light, like in the camera light that I'm looking at now, but walking around like the house and that, I can see how dark it actually is. So I'm definitely going to take this off before work tonight, but I'm going to go out and I think I'm going to go buy the light of the shade in the CC cream and see if I can just mix the two together and see if that makes a bit of a better shade, because the light one was way too light and this one is just a bit too dark. With the lipstick, it really stained my lips. Like, I was scrubbing at them to try and get that pink off, and that pink wasn't budging. So I've actually applied my Stay Matte liquid lip colour in the shade Mocha over it, and there is a couple of layers that you can still see some of the pinkiness on there, but I have put a couple of layers on just to try and get rid of that pink colour. Overall, not too bad for, this is under £10. I have applied eyeliner. I thought I'd do a little bit of eyeliner because it just didn't really quite look too right without it. And that is my Ico. That actually came in my Birchbox last month and I love it. The mascara that I've applied is actually my Benefit Bad Gal Bang little tester that I got, and that was in my Birchbox as well. And I do really like it and I want to really, really love it, but so much product comes off the brush. It's almost like it doesn't suck it enough. Like when you're pulling it out, it doesn't take off enough of the product. So when you're applying it, it just goes really clumpy because it's just thick with product. So I think I made, like, there's a bit of mascara by there, and the underneath just kind of went a bit clumpy as well. But I'm still going to use it because it's Benefit. Like, I'll use anything by Benefit. And I love like how dark, it's just like the darkest, like jet black, and I love that. So yeah, this is my look. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Head to your nearest Boots ASAP, I would suggest, if you want to go and get any of the products that I've bought or any of the products that I've suggested. Like the CC cream, it's good. Like, I don't know about long lasting because obviously I haven't had it on that much, but it's matte. It's kept it matte so far. Just the medium is just a little bit too dark and a lot, so maybe just merge the colours together or anything. Definitely go out and get the Instant Glow bronzing and illuminating palette. Like I said, it's not the best highlighter or illuminator you'll ever find, but it's a pretty good one for how cheap it is. And the bronzing rocks, they're not too bad actually. They're quite nice to have a bit of a glow and a bit of a shimmer to your skin. So for those prices, just go out and buy them. I wouldn't suggest these, like, I'm not a fan of them. Maybe that's why there were so many of them left. And the lipstick, like, not overly fussed, but I am going to give that another go. So I think, oh, the eyeshadow as well, like, it's not bad. Like, I'll definitely be using it again because I just love the colour of it. It takes quite a bit of a build up of the colour on it. So yeah, for £1, I think it was £1.19, it cost me for that much. Like, I'll happily use it again. So this is the look. If you're enjoying the video, if you like my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Definitely got more videos to come. I'm gonna do a video soon of get to know me a bit, just a few little facts about myself. If you want to hear any specific facts, then just give me a little tinkle down below on the comments, just any suggestions or anything you do want to know about me, and I'll see if I can add them to the video as well. But for now, I'll see you on the flip side.